let's get you another round of breaking update that is now coming in. As far as a major tank accident that has been reported in Ladakh, water levels rises while crossing the river, and sources suggest that there has been a loss of lives when it comes to our Jawans who are feared dead. This mishap that was reported during an army tank exercise that was being carried out. Unfortunately, this incident that has been reported and casualties have been feared. Shivani, what more do we know?
Amita, this is the mishap that has happened while an exercise was on in an area called Daulat Beg Oldie. This is highly operational area where an high altitude in India and Indian troops are they are deployed and they carry on exercises. So this was a T-72 tank that was crossing a river, and the water levels unexpectedly they rose very high, and casualties are feared, though we are expecting an official statement very soon. But yes, this is a major mishap that has happened, and we'll wait for the official statement out there. But yes, the casualties are feared in this incident, and more details are being awaited.
All right, we are waiting as far as the official statement on part of the relevant authorities, because what is being said that an exercise that was being carried out, and this mishap happened during the Army's tank exercise. What is also being said, Shivani, because when this exercise was being carried out, what on part of the Jawans that is also being said, because we are talking about casualties that are now feared. We are told also that this incident was reported late in the night.
Amita, this exercise was happening overnight, and this incident has happened in the wee hours, we can say late yesterday night and in the middle of yesterday night when this exercise was happening. This was a tank exercise, and in this high altitude, the weather conditions, the terrain is quite unexpected and very difficult. But yet, when the soldiers are deployed there, they are all ready for any kind of situation, any kind of weather. So this exercise that was happening late in the night, where this tank was crossing the river, there were a number of tanks, because this was an exercise of a high order where number of troops were there, not only a single tank, but many other tanks were also there. So this particular tank, which has met with this mishap, was also crossing the river, but unexpectedly the water levels rose very high, and the Jawans were on the tank, and they got drowned in this water. That's what we are being told. The search operations are already on, but we are also waiting for the official confirmation from the army. The defense forces have indicated that
wait for another
are feared.
Official confirmation on part of the army side, a statement that is expected on this mishap that has been reported.